What is happening, everybody? Josh here from Spawn Fly Fish. We're back with our weekly shop update. Holy smokes, do we got a lot of stuff for you guys today. We have a lot to go over, mostly tie-in centered, but we also have another product that we're super excited for you to get, and we cannot wait to show you today. Kicking things off with what's new, we're going to start with threads. Spawn now offers a huge selection of Vivas threads. Every color that they offer in sizes 16/0 all the way down to 6/0. So check those out. Large quantities available, every color available. Moving forward, but continuing with threads, we now offer the Uni Glow thread. So glows in the dark, one size. This is 3/0, so keep that in mind when you're looking at that. It does say that on the website, but we now have a glow in the dark thread for your favorite glow bugs. Moving into another Vivas product, not exactly a thread, more of a chenille, but this is the UV Fuzz. So this stuff is cool. Talk about a quick way to tie an awesome little fly, whether you're fishing for cutthroat or other trout species, little bass, you name it. This is going to be a great little product for quick flies and nice colors. Again, every size available. So, or every color, available. We got them all here at Spawn Fly Fish. Alright, that does it for some threads and some fuzz. Now we're moving on to hooks, and boy do we have a lot of them for you. We're going to start things off in the Predator series. New jig hook here at Spawn Fly Fish from Ahrex. This is the PR360. So, this is going to be a heavy wire jig hook. Comes in a huge range of sizes. We got them all here at Spawn Fly Fish. Look forward to that. It is a newer hook for them. We just added it a little bit late. Another new hook. We have a super dry series here, the FW524. This is a large gape dry fly hook. Again, all the way down to I think size 24 up to a size 8. So perfect hook for those wide gap that you need for those dry flies. Brand new hook from them, the Anadromous Nymph hook. This is again a heavy wire hook for those of you that are tying nymphs for, whether it's steelhead out here on the coast or other big nymphs that you want a stronger wire hook for. So excited about that one. Again, comes in a range of sizes 2 through 8, I believe. All right, hooks that have been widely popular. Just got 2 new sizes. The Clouser hook, designed by Bob Clouser himself with Ahrex, now comes in 2 smaller sizes. So this hook initially had a huge range, but mostly on those bigger sizes. Now, specifically for sea run cutthroat out here in Puget Sound and other smaller Clouser or baitfish oriented flies, you're going to have the options to tie in both an 8 and a 6. So, excited to see that happen, and we will definitely be utilizing this hook as we move into the summer. Alright, another brand new hook. We got 2 of them. They're the same hook. One's barbless, one has the barb. This is the FW563. This is a freshwater short nymph hook. So, look forward to that. It's a really cool little hook. We're going to be tying on that. Look forward to featuring it in some upcoming videos, and we'll explain further into why we like this hook. But again, brand new hook from Ahrex. We got them here. Every single size is available. That is a lot of hooks to go over, but we got one more product that we're going to sneak in here. This was requested by one of our great customers. We got the fish fins from Kylie's. So again, we got every size, every color. There's 4 colors. They're all a mottled color, so keep that in mind. Here, maybe you can see that rust. Again, it's mottled. It's going to be great for all those little sculpin flies that you guys love to tie and we love to fish. So that's a lot of tying materials, mostly hook oriented, but we do have some threads. So keep that in mind when you're looking at our site. All of these products are on the new product selection. And now we're going to move to what we are really excited about. All right, before we move into the fishing report, we want to tell you something that we are super excited about. As you can see, I'm wearing a very nice, brand new t-shirt. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, get out your credit cards. We got them back in stock, finally. So, our Spawn t-shirts are now back, and we are super excited about this. We will be leaning into this a little more this year. We will have more t-shirts coming in the future, but this is a classic. For those of you that bought this t-shirt already when we had it back in stock a year ago, we changed things up a little bit. This is a little bit better fitting shirt, not quite as tight, and better for that unisex category that it is in. So it's a nicer t-shirt, same quality that you can expect on the Spawnfly and the Life Cycle on the back, as well as the SpawnFlyFish.com on the inside here to make it as official as possible. So $23.99, they're live on our website, and we got them in sizes small through 3X. So covering the spread there, get one today. They're sweet. So, and if you swing into the shop, definitely get one. We're 50% so far. We got 2 people in the shop today, 1 person's bought them, so they are hot. So as we move into that and segue into fishing out here has been really good, frankly. We got a little bit of rain last week. It jumped the rivers, and there was 2 or 3 days of very, very quality fishing. So we haven't posted any steelhead photos. We will at some point, but just know, take our word for it. It has been very good. The weather hasn't been very cooperative. It's really, really cold. We had snow here. It did delay a couple products going out the door, and we apologize for that, and we apologize again for that. But now things are back to their normal speed. We're getting product in and out the door as quick as possible to your house. So look forward for all these, or look to get all these products today, and we'll get them to you tomorrow. And thank you guys all for tuning in, and we will see you guys next week.